is 10 minutes away, and every time we have bad flooding, the farmers blame the government blames the farmers for not digging the ditches anymore.
Yeah.
And where my business is located, I've missed markets and events because I couldn't get to my kitchen to attend them.
Right,
So
yeah.
financially, it's hurt small businesses the odd time.
Yeah.
So yeah, no. And what I was saying earlier is, we even had flooding that you couldn't come in or out of the village. We have a lot of elderly people, and God forbid they need emergency services or there was a fire, anything like that. I think we'd be buggered.
Right. Yeah.